Water line replacement in Centerville. We have a leaky water line currently under this front yard that has been leaking for, it looks like quite some time, for it actually has damaged the foundation on that side. So with that being said, we need to replace it. It is currently blue poly that goes all the way down to 9.5 to 10 feet deep. We are to replace it with a copper 1-inch pipe by a directional bore. And how that works is we would excavate access pit right around here, 3 feet deep. Then we move on to the next access pit, which would be in this general vicinity right here, in between the sewer cleanout and that window. May have to tunnel in a little bit, and again 3 feet deep. Once we make those 2 access pits, we then shoot a drill all the way through from A to B. We then sleeve the water line right through the wall, and then connect it to the water line system with a shut-off valve and pressure reducing valve. We then connect it to the curbside water meter and shut-off valve, which is a shared one. That puts us to the one on the right. Now, a few things to be considered about is there is a chance that one section of sidewalk may have to be removed. If so, possibly this one. We will of course attempt everything possible to not have to do so. But the only reason why that may be needed is if by any means we can't get the angle we need to go down to 3 feet and then continue out. Remember, it has to be 3 feet deep at the bottom of this trench. So if that doesn't happen, that sidewalk has to go in order to bring it down. That aside, I don't expect anything special on that hole. We will be again sleeving it through the foundation wall, which is made out of concrete. Once we're done sleeving it, we will go ahead and re-concrete the sleeve and then tar the patch itself, making it waterproof, and then make all the connections. Once we pass inspection, backfill, tamp, seed, straw, clean up the job site, backfill, tamp, grade with existing grade. And that would conclude this water line replacement. That's what we got.